The 4 basic tastes with Zubby the zebra. Hey, Zubby. What are you reading that you're so focused on? Oh, a recipe book! Kids, Zubby is going to have her friends over for dinner, and she wants everyone to like the dishes she will prepare. Choco loves everything sweet. He loves bananas and chocolate. Ziggy prefers salty flavors. He loves popcorn and yellow cheese. Now Lego, on the other hand, prefers more sour flavors. That's why she eats so many kiwis and lemons. And finally, Achoo loves bitter tastes. That's why he loves coffee beans and other nuts. So, Zubby, what do you think you're going to make? Zubby is making a salty cheese tart for Ziggy. A sour fresh juice made from kiwis and lemons for Lego. Sweet pancakes with chocolate and bananas for Choco. And bitter granola bars with nuts for Achoo. Everything's ready. Well done, Zubby. Have fun, little animals, and bon appetit!